Hello everyone, welcome to Ashram Vidyalaya. Myself Firdausi. So students, in this video we will continue in our chapter number 17. Today's our topic is practice. Underline the verb in these sentences and state whether they are in the active voice or a passive voice. Okay, so let's start. First is a drawing was not made by me. So student, find out this is in a active voice, in a passive voice. Right, first of all underline the verbs. So we find out the verbs. So was not made is a verb and this sentence is given in a passive voice, so we write here P. Okay, second is we buy books and magazines every weekend. Okay, so in this sentence verb is a buy, so underline the verbs. So buy is a verb and this sentence is in a type in a active voice. Second, Nisha will be picked up from school by her father. Okay, so here is a will be pick up is a verb, will be pick up, and look at here also the specify by, so we write here passive voice. Fourth, confectioner sells cakes and sweets. Okay, so this is in this sentence the sales is a verb and this sentence in a active voice. Second, I shall sell all the boxes today. Okay, so in this sentence shall is a verb and this sentence is in a active voice. The letter were delivered by the postman. So in this sentence were delivered is a verb and the sentence is in a passive voice. The angry mob was controlled by the policeman. So in this sentence was control is a verb and the sentence is in a passive voice. The teacher scolded Vivek for coming late. So in this sentence scolded is a verb, so underline scolded and the sentence type is active voice. The woman looked at the stained clothes. So in this sentence look is a verb and the type of sentence is active voice. All the chocolates were eaten by the children. So in this sentence were eaten is a verb, were eaten. The type of sentence is passive voice. Now students, look at the next. Identify whether these sentences are in an active voice A or passive voice P. Then change the voice in each sentence. Okay, first of all we find the type of sentence, then we write the voice A or P, then after we write change and we change the sentence. Okay, so let's start. A 6-year-old girl made this painting. Okay, so this sentence is in a active voice. Okay, this sentence in active voice now convert into passive, so that this sentence become this painting was made by a 6-year-old. Okay, next, dinner will have been cooked by him. This sentence is in passive voice. Right now convert into active voice. He will have cooked the dinner. Next, Joseph kicked the ball hard. Okay, this sentence is in a active voice. Now convert into passive voice. The ball was kicked hard by Joseph. Okay, next, Kelly and Kath bought these flowers. This is the sentence in Kelly and Kath. So the room was decorated by the Raghav's friend. So the room is a subject and it is a receiver. Okay, the room, so it is a receiver, for we write here R, we write here P because it is given in a and here we write are, and here is a given in a passive voice, so we write P here. The next, the table was broken by the naughty boy. So in this sentence the table is a subject. Here is a, sorry, I also write as are here. Here is also subject. The table is a subject. Was broken by the naughty boy. So the table is a receiver and this type is a passive. Mother bought this cup and saucer. So mother is a subject and the type of sentence is active. And the receiver, door. Next, a horse sculpture was being made by girl. A horse sculpture being made by girl. A horse sculpture is a subject and the type of sentence is passive. Next, the chief guest will inaugurate the ceremony. Okay, so in this sentence the chief guest is a subject and the type of sentence is active. The kitchen will be cleaned by Suchi. So the kitchen is subject and cleaned by Suchi. So this is the in a passive voice. Okay, and the kitchen is the receiver. An excellent lecture on the topic was given by Professor Bose. So in this sentence, an excellent lecture on the topic is subject and the type of sentence is passive. Okay, right? So students, our this exercise was complete here and we not take D and E in the exam, so that is cancelled. So students, our chapter number 17 was completed and I will send you the PDF file about this all and they write in your notebook and also workbook. So bye bye, take care, thank you. This sentence is in a active voice. Now convert into passive. These flowers were bought by Kelly and Kath. Okay. Next, the daughter is being fed by the mother. So this sentence is in a passive voice, so we write P here. Now convert into active voice. The mother is feeding the daughter. Next, he played the role of the villain. Okay, so this sentence is in a active voice. Now convert into passive voice. The role of villain was played by him. Okay, he become him, because in this passive voice we specify about the receiver, and in the active voice we talking about the doer means does something, performer, right? Doer means performer. I was given a book by the librarian. So this sentence is in a passive voice. Now convert into active voice. The librarian gave a book to me. Next, we water these plants every morning. So this is in a active voice, right? Now convert into passive voice. These plants are watered by us every morning. Next, this storybook has been lent to me by Nakul. So these are in a passive voice. Now convert into active voice. Nakul has lent me this storybook. Next, her work was praised by the teacher. So this sentence is in a passive voice. Now convert into active. The teacher praised her work. The teacher praised her work. Okay, so these are our sentences. Now the next exercise is Analyze these sentences, copy the table in your notebook and complete it. One has been done for you. Look at the back side. Subject, doer, receiver or voice. Okay, so look at the first example. Miss Yashu night this pullover. So in this sentence, Miss Yasu is a subject and Miss Yasu is a doer. So we write here doer means does something. Performer called the doer. So we write doer here and the voice is active voice. This sentence is given in a active voice. So look at the next. Second sentence is my classmate won the trophy. My classmate won the trophy. So in this sentence we write here my classmate is a subject and this is the doer. My classmate is a doer and the type of sentence is active, right? Next, the children learned the script. So in this sentence the children is a subject and also they are doer, right? And this is also in a active voice. This sentence is also in active voice. Next, the room was decorated by Raghav's friend. Okay, so in this sentence the room is a